The partnership together with Microsoft is extremely important for us. Microsoft is a very strong partner, especially from the cloud side, and that's what we see today. All new designs from customers are connected, but connected to where? It's cloud, it's a cloud business. So IoT for us is really about connectivity, about security, and the cloud connectivity too. And this is Microsoft, of course, is a very important part of this whole ecosystem. That's why to interact here together with Microsoft and the customers, it's key for us. The speaker slot was very interesting for me because I was surprised that that many persons was here. The room was completely full. Several hundred of attendees. I was not expecting that. So, and also the public was very open and asked a lot of the right questions. So, especially for security and IoT and this whole ecosystem, the public was very open. And it's the first time I really saw this on this size. The most inspiring thing was that Microsoft brings all the gears together to synchronize all the technologies from cloud, security, IoT, data center, business integration, down to the sensor, to the hardware, so that they're really bringing the whole ecosystem together. That's what the important takeaway for me. So the IoT revenue stream we are generating at the moment, and IoT is a new buzzword. There was a man to machine, a machine to machine, and industrial revolution and connectivity. So we had a lot of. So we're in this business for decades. So, but the IoT at the moment is really a broad business. From, as I said, from sensor to cloud. So this is our own revenue stream we have at the moment, from the component to the cloud side. So it's our main revenue. This revenue stream, we live from this revenue stream. So yeah, it is important for us. So our IoT solution today we showed was the Azure Sphere technology. This technology, in fact, is from Microsoft. Microsoft choosing us as the worldwide partner to distribute and to drive this solution. This Azure Sphere is exactly in this IoT security theme, and we showed live on stage as well as in the partner booth. We showed the IoT Sphere starter kit with the implementation of sensors to the cloud the secure way. So we showed the people that you do not need a lot of effort and money to really bring up a secure IoT solution to life. So this Azure Sphere sample we showed is based on a chip from Microsoft, the Azure Sphere chip. This is really a Microsoft branded chip with a Linux operating system on, very special with Linux, and the cloud services. This is a complete and a closed solution from Microsoft. And with this chip, we showed that the sensor data from a light sensor, from an ambient sensor, humidity, the data can be shown in a dashboard, in a cloud dashboard, the easy way. And this we tunnel through the unsecured Wi-Fi network from the hotel here in the lobby. Yes, IoT will definitely grow in the next year. So that's like the amen in the church. The question is how fast it will grow, and maybe it grows too fast. A lot of people I heard they already now starting with IoT projects, but in an insecure way, and not with the highest security. And I think that's exactly the problem we are facing, that the IoT world market is increasing like hell. We have really talking about several billion projects every year, new connected projects. And not all of them really implemented the security as they have to do. So I see this as a big problem issue for the future, that this will cause that every IoT device everywhere in buildings, at gas stations, wherever you say at home appliances, we have an insecure system. So the market will definitely grow and a lot, and there's a lot of numbers from Gartner and co that clearly stated that. But my thinking is how fast that can we grow with our secure solution with it. Success in IoT means to have a solution from sensor to cloud, very secure way, and that you can sell this solution also as such a full-blown from A to Z solutions. And that's the key. Not only part of the IoT world, not only the sensors, not only the gateways, not only the protocols or security inside, not only the cloud, but having a full solution from A to Z. It's a homogeneous solution with built-in security from the sensor to the cloud, and that's the key for success.